Go.
Hey guys, I'm Abby and this is my brother Lincoln, and today we're going to try Alaskan snacks. First up is sit down, Link. It's called Turtle Splash Organic Strawberry and Chocolate Flavored Cereal. And all this stuff is from Alaska except for one which is from Vancouver, Canada. I'll get one of the strawberry and one of the chocolate. Link, you get one. You get some from their bag.
You can't have the chocolate.
Yeah.
Sorry, Macy.
Get some from the bag, okay? Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna try it in 3, 2, 1. The strawberry's pretty good.
Yeah, they're good. I'll rate them a 3 out.
It tastes like
I'll just drink a little water.
tastes like some cereal I've tried first. I've tried before. Just I don't know which one.
Can I pick?
Chocolate's good too.
Can
Yeah.
I pick?
Wait, we're gonna go in order. Okay, Link, so sit down.
Okay.
So the next thing is Alaska Bacon Chocolate Bar.
Is it hot?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna try it, guys. Don't worry. I'm not gonna try it. I'm not gonna not try it.
Okay, I've
I
got
have 2 pieces.
Oh, what? Okay, so you're yelling.
Thank you.
Let's try it in 3, 2, 1. Guys, that's really good.
Guys, it also said applewood.
I don't know what that means, but
It's the kind of bacon. Applewood bacon.
oh, it's applewood bacon. That's the kind. That's why if you hear Grammy in the background.
I pick after this.
Y'all get a little water. Those are good.
Can I pick? Okay. After this, I'm gonna pick whatever I want.
That's perfect.
Okay. Now, hey guys, I'm about to eat this. Is this hot?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna eat it.
Because he doesn't like spicy stuff. And this is spicy chocolate covered bacon.
Oh.
It's kind of like the last thing. I'm gonna try biting it in 3, 2, 1. Oh my. That's not what I was expecting.
Next time you and then me.
This is pretty good. It's not too spicy either. Okay. So, guys, next thing we're gonna try is soft maple sugar candy, and this is the thing from Vancouver, Canada. Okay, Link, you wanna try one?
Is it hot?
No, not at all. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my, that is really good. Oh, it's rich. That was not what I was expecting. Tastes like maple sugar, or maple. Just tastes like maple. You're not gonna eat it all?
I don't really like it.
I like it a lot. Okay, moving on. Next one is Alaska Wild Huckleberry Gummy Bear. Alright, open this.
Abby, can I pick now? Actually, can I pick? You already picked one.
Okay,
Can I pick twice and you pick twice, Abby?
yeah, you can take the next one. There's after this,
No,
there's
it's
2 more.
twice.
Yep. Okay, guys, I might need to use the scissors.
Be careful with those.
Okay, so when you reach in the bag and get one, I'll let you know. They're very soft.
Gummy bears.
And they have, this one has an A on its belly. Can you guys see
This
that?
one has a. This one has an A on it too. See?
Okay, let's try. For the last 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, that's good. Guys, that tastes like a great flavor gummy bear. Like it's eating so many of them.
All right.
Link, you get picked next.
There's 2 more things left. Not this or this.
Okay, 3. Okay, let's
Say what it is.
Yeah, Link, say what it is.
It is s'mores.
Milk chocolate s'mores.
Yeah.
There we go. Alright. So, guys. Okay.
Oh.
It looks so good. I feel like this part broke off already, you know. I might eat the last piece too. Looks really good.
What's this white stuff inside?
Marshmallow.
Oh. This is so good. There's marshmallows inside, look.
Mm-hmm. This is so good. Like, want to split this? Guys, this is probably. This is so good. Okay, guys, so this is huckleberry chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. It's white chocolate.
Can I have a piece, half of it too?
Yeah. Wait, this chocolate taste is still in my mouth.
I'm not gonna eat the water.
It's good. I'm not actually a big fan of this.
So, guys, which was your favorite?
I would say the gummies.
Here, Link, you can have the rest of mine.
No.
I honestly, my favorite was probably either the s'mores chocolate or the huckleberry gummy bears.
What is
This. We've already tried that. It's the bacon with chocolate.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Leave your favorites in the comments. Bye.